Hello guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. Today's topic, I'm just going to share with you how to make carrot oil and how to mix your black soap. Then afterwards, how to mix your own body cream. Yes, stay tuned guys. Please support this channel if you haven't done so. Smash the like button and subscribe guys. So as you can all see, we got carrot there, fresh carrot, the organic fresh carrot. Then we got some aloe vera, fresh aloe vera. Then these are all the oils we're going to need to make our carrot oil. So I got some lavender there for scent, some olive oil, the nature one for body. That one is really good. It nourishes the skin. It makes your skin soft. It's good for stretch marks. Also, these oils I'm using there for my stretch mark, you can find oils that goes with your skin condition. If you have dry skin, go for oil that is for dry skin. If you have any kind of skin condition, those are the kind of oils you go for. So because me, I have stretch marks, so this is why I'm using all these oils, because they're good. The bower oil, the pure almond oil, they're all good for stretch marks. They nourish the skin. They make your skin just glow and then, you know, soft and shine. It doesn't leave your skin dry. So this is why I'm going with this oil guys. So you can use pretty much the kind of oil resonate with your skin. Yes. So guys, this is all what we're going to need. These are not stuff that bleach your skin. They can help to brighten your skin, make your skin light and then bright, you know, but they don't bleach your skin. They don't cause any side effect with all what I'm using. Before further ado, let's get into the video guys. So I'm going ahead now and start to wash the carrot and then the orange. Yeah, I've already peeled the aloe vera off camera because I don't want the video to go long. So this is all what we need to do now. Then we're going to need the 2 carrots and then 1 orange. Then with the whole aloe vera, that blend the whole aloe vera. And then you're going to need a grater like that. Blend aloe vera. So start grating the carrot just like that. When you use the small grater, it's really good because it helps to extract all the juice from the carrot and then the orange. So it's good to use a small grater. It's really good to get all the juice out. Try to look for organic orange and carrot. It really had good scent to the oil and the soap as well. Just keep grater just like so until you get all the peel out, everything just like so, smooth and juicy. That's the aloe vera. It's straining down. Then also the orange, try not to use too much. That one you saw there with the 2 carrots is just enough, unless if you're making big quantity. Yeah, I'm going ahead now and put the pan on. Yeah, I'm going to use the double method. You can use glass or metal, yes, but don't use plastic bowl please, because it will melt. Yeah, don't use plastic bowl. Yeah, metal or glass is really good. And don't fill the water too much into the pan. Yeah, so you see the quantity there is really good with the orange and then the carrot, because the moment you use too much orange, it's overpowering for the skin, not good. So I'm going ahead now and add the bower oil, which is 30 ml I'm using. This is quite good for skin, dry skin, stretch marks. It polish your skin, it dehydrates your skin. It's really good oil for the skin. Pure almond oil going in. I will be using about 300. Then the olive oil, 250 ml going in. So in total I will be using about 500 ml. Then just stir everything up, then leave it to heat up a bit before you go ahead and add the orange peel. Then followed by the carrot. Add all the carrots in. Then once the carrot gone in, then followed by the fresh aloe vera, blend and you strain it. You just need that juice to be added. Yes guys, so once you add everything, go ahead and stir very well. Once you had everything, then just go ahead and stir very well. Then also, guys, if you making this for bleaching, yeah, using all them acid, this tube, all them chemicals, serum, they're not good for the skin layers, you know. All these natural things out there, they're really good for the skin, just like what I'm doing. They help nourish your skin the natural way. It's quite good. Yeah, you just have to research and put the work in. But using all this other stuff, acid, all this, they're not good for the skin, guys. You know, they spoil your skin layers. And yeah, the moment it's gone into your skin tissue, you know, it spoils your skin. As you can see, the oil is all done. It's cooked really well. You just have to do it this way. It locked in oil, the moisture, you know, and everything, you know, all the nutrients is all there. It didn't go away because we didn't fry it. If you fry it, everything will go away. But once you do the double method like this, the nutrients stays in. It's really good. That's what you're looking for, because you need it. So you just put a clean fill, leave it to ferment for 2 days. Voila, this is it. This is what you see. That's your carrot oil for brightening your skin. You know, this will help your skin to soften, glowing, and all that. Yeah, you just get the oil out first. Once the oil is out, then you go ahead and pour everything. So you can see now, this is all the juice there. Now you can go ahead and squeeze that juice out. That juice is the good stuff for this thing. It's really good, because that juice you can add it later to your cream, your body cream. So I'll be using this now for the black soap. Or the carrot, the aloe vera, and then the orange, the remaining cooked one, I'll be using it now to mix with the black soap. As you can see, that's the pure black soap, African raw black soap. This, it's made out. Yeah, you're gonna need some pure glycerin. Then this is the honey from home. Yeah, then that remaining carrot and everything. So we're using the double method as well to do the soap. We're first gonna melt the soap. So I'll be using 2 bowls of that black soap. This black soap, it's made out of fresh ingredients in Africa. It's really good. This cleanses the skin very well. Even if you have scabies, if you have any skin conditions, rashes, itchy, this will cleanse it for you, because of the ingredient they use is just good. You see how easy it was to melt it. You don't need to add water. If you want to add your serum on this, you can go ahead and add it. I'm going ahead now and add some honey, pure honey, and pure glycerin. Yeah, then after you add everything, just add the amount you think it's okay. I'm adding now the carrot, aloe vera, and the orange. Stir very well. Yeah, so leave it to cook a bit. At this stage, if you have any of your body wash, you can go ahead and add it. So this is my body wash. It has lemon, then shea butter and everything. So I'm adding it for some bubbles, just to help with the bubbles. Yeah, so if you have any, you can go ahead and add it. Then you stir very well. As you can see, it was just easy. Yeah, just easy. This is really good. This will cleanse. This will add shine to your skin. It's like you're bleaching when you're not bleaching the natural way. I am telling you, your body will be brownish, bright, but not like in a way that you're bleaching. No, it just gives you that nice glow skin very well. So I'm going ahead now and pour everything into the bowl and leave it to set. Yeah, you can leave it to set. Sometimes it depends how much liquid you put in, like your glycerin, your honey. It will go very watery, but it's still good, because of you're using it to wash. You can apply it on your body first, then you go under the shower. As you can see, this is it. The oil, the black soap, the mixed black soap, it's all ready. Yeah, it's really good. So you put them, store them in a cold place and leave them. Yeah, this is it. You see, it's formed again, but it's a bit soft. It's easy to apply. So this is all what I'm not going to go details with the way I mix my cream, but this is all I use. You remember the juicy out of the oil. This is the best time now I'm going to use it. That's the juicy. Is really good to add, because that is all the aloe vera. Aloe vera, as you know, is good for stretch mark. with your skin. It just helps your skin to glow, soft, shiny. You know, it stop all those bacteria to stay into your skin. This is really good. Yeah, so go ahead and just mix whatever you want to use. Those small tube you see there is like a booster. It's really good for scar, everything. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. This is all I have for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe and comment. Yeah, thank you. I hope to see you soon.